Welcome back to the Court of Public Opinion. We're going to be talking about missing persons and how to put a search party together and to be prepared for something like this. Okay, now, who am I? I'm Jennifer Stiles. I'm the granddaughter of an attorney from the Pittsburgh Police. My grandfather passed away in 1976, and since then, there had been incidents in the early 80s, and that's why I'm telling you how to prepare and how to keep connected. Today, with the increase of child abuse, with the increase of cases of sexual abuse, abandonment, numerous reasons, factors that I might not be able to include. I'm just going to tell you how to do this. Okay, for us, there was no photos available whenever we went through a missing person ordeal with a convicted rapist, okay? And I'm going to help you put together a plan, a game plan for you, the parent, that has been concerned about something like this happening to your child or your grandchild or niece or nephew or neighbor or best friend or relative. If you have any concerns like this, there are other resources now today that weren't available to us when it happened. We learned firsthand, without the photos available, this puts a lot of pressure on the family. Having a search party and not doing this alone is one. I did. And I found my sisters, and they are okay, and they are alive today. Okay. I didn't have any help until the police got involved. So it's good to have law enforcement be aware of what happened too. Okay. And there's case log of it, and it's documented, and we have attorneys that also are aware of cases like ours, okay? With the information I'm telling you, because of certain states releasing prisoners, I want you to have a game plan and get your exit strategy out of this today, okay? Your lives matter. If you had gone through the court process, you have to be notified as a victim. It's under Megan's law and Jessica's law as well. There's no law that helps the rape victim that's over 18. And that's a very important one that we need to get to. What you need to do is stay connected and keep your gun registration with you. Keep it in your wallet. Your open carry license, keep it with you, okay? Search parties are very important, okay? It's better to have town hall meetings and ask questions about what it is that might be going on that has you concerned. Mine and my family, we were victims of a convicted rapist in 1985. And there have been other rapes that went not reported and the individuals did not serve any time in jail. Okay? Now, for those of you who have been notified about this, you have access to get that kind of help. Stay connected, please. And because you could be deputized during that process, too. And what I'm saying is, if you're a legal gun owner, you could become a deputy. And I'm saying that because I am, again, the granddaughter for one of the attorneys for the Pittsburgh Police. They will add to the police force. They will add members of the community who follow the instructions. It's pretty simple, okay? A search party is not just wearing neon colors and things like that. You would expect that, okay? We're up in an area where Jerry Mahan had gone missing and is presumed dead, okay? So this would be it's a very difficult topic to talk about missing persons and missing children. But it's going on. And if we don't have you prepared, a search party and how to organize and how to get flyers out, and I'm going to put some information below. And if I don't put the information below, I just want to tell you, you can contact You have to have a recent photo, okay, and the actual height, weight, clothing, what the person was wearing at the time of the missing persons incident occurring. You, the family member that might be wondering what happened to your child or what happened to your kids, it's better to have a search party information ready so that you know what to do in case of an emergency. Have your information together. Have a, just keep it so that you know what to do in event of an emergency, especially fires, car accidents. I mean, there are a number of things that are going on that may have nothing to do with the missing persons. It could be, explosion. Look what happened in Beirut. Talk to your dentist. Ask your dentist if the dentist that we talk to is very good. Okay, I would recommend you contact your community leaders and ask what you would do in event if there was missing persons or anything. Like, is there an outline of how they do that, or the sheriff's department in your area? Usually the county sheriffs conduct it, and they usually create the search parties, and they usually do all the law enforcement stuff. But because of all the stuff that's been going on with people trying to defund the police, they would probably deputize the average person, because it's a constitutional thing. And contact your deputy sheriff about the militia so that you know what to do in a case of an emergency. It happened to me, okay? I'm just going to tell you, I have no confidence in NCMEC. I have no confidence in some of these missing persons organizations. I do think that, though, the average person that knows how to do this, you would be in a better situation knowing the facts. And I'm just telling you what happened to us in our ordeal with the pedophile ring. The information's coming out more and more, as you know. The pedophile rings that have been not only just convicted rapists, but let out of prison. And you have to know the information. And Megan's Law, thankfully, and Jessica's Law allows you to be notified of that information. And I would definitely check out the Kids Live Safe app. The Court of Public Opinion is a part of the Amateur Radio Network.